It's not live, but it is recording. Oh. Okay, so we just leave it there while we drive.
We've had quite the morning.
Quite the morning.
It's been an exhausting morning.
Yeah.
We always try to preach happy, happy, happy. But there's some mornings that you wake up and you're like, what the heck
is going on?
Are you kidding me? It starts with the phone calls of, I don't know if people out there who are caregivers of family members. I am. I have family members that aren't doing well. And, I get silly phone calls like, the dog is barking too much outside, or things like that. Somebody upstairs is complaining. It's
Em uma
exhausting.
milha, vire à esquerda.
Now we have the car here speaking foreign languages to us, and I have no idea what she's even saying.
Wouldn't you agree technology has gotten out of control? We can't figure out how to convert the car to... We love multifaceted languages.
Absolutely. But I need to know what I'm saying before I say it.
Yes.
Just in case.
So we'll just start spewing whatever, but we can't.
But I'm renting a car right now, and it's just talking to us. So.
And the reason she's renting a car is she's crashed the other 10.
No,
not that
the first one, somebody crashed into me, and my car was totaled. It was a very bad situation.
Horrible.
And then the second one, I was sitting at a stoplight. My son was in the car, and I got hit from behind.
Em quarto de milha, vire à esquerda.
So now we got the car again talking to us. So there's a lot of stuff going on right now. So I feel very, very tired.
If you know what language it is, please let us know. Because
I think it's Italian.
Italian,
it's
yeah.
beautiful.
Okay.
I mean, she's
it's gorgeous.
speaking beautifully,
It's
but
gorgeous.
I just don't know what she's saying to us.
She has a lovely accent.
She does.
She does.
So right now we're just getting ready for our next show, right?
Yes, we're heading to the flower shop.
Mm-hmm.
We're doing an episode on
Vire à esquerda.
Via Skata. Italian.
Thanks. I don't know.
Hey, when I got to your house this morning, I wanted Italian ice, and I opened up your freezer, and it's gone. Did you eat an entire 55-gallon drum of that stuff?
Of the Italian ice?
Yes.
No, I always just clean out my fridge and freezer and throw everything away that's been in there for a while. Yeah.
Oh, was it bad?
No, it wasn't bad. It's just it was probably in there since Christmas.
Em quarto de milha, vire à direita.
So actually, she's probably repeating what we're saying. You think?
Yeah, I don't know what she's doing.
I don't know, but we have like this voiceover thing going on right now in this rent-a-car that I'm trying to figure out how to shut it off.
Yeah.
So
First
that's not our voice; that's somebody else talking. So
First, we couldn't get
Vire à direita.
Via is
Yeah, I think-
Italian.
Yeah.
Yeah. So please, if you know what language,
Vire à direita.
is she hollering at us now?
I don't know.
Yes, if you know what language that is, please let us know. And if you know how to operate
Vire à direita.
Via,
I don't know.
you cannot make this stuff.
You cannot.
You can't even script this. It's
No.
like it just doesn't happen. So,
Anyways, we're having one of those days. I hope you're having a
Vire à
better
direita.
day.
Em meia milha, vire à direita.
So on that note,
so long. We'll see you when we get to the
Studio.
Yeah, the studio.